In a room where every word can change a life, justice speaks. One man stands before the law, not just to face judgment, but to seek redemption. This is more than a case. It's a lesson in mercy, truth, and second chances.
Well, I'm trying to be kind, Judge.
Judge, no.
Oh, you're trying to be kind to him.
No, Judge.
He's dressed so nice today.
I'm in the back of the line. That's me.
Go, Judge.
Yes.
I also need to swear in a fingerprint.
Okay. I guess.
Yeah. Odd one gets the elevator. I get the shaft.
Oh, okay.
And he's probably got an Otis elevator. They're supposed to be some of the best.
Thank you today.
Well, we're in murder trial.
Yeah.
Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and
Tell you
what we
something.
got?
I am in trial all the time. 600 jury trials. See if anybody else has done that.
And count.
We're looking hard.
Was it flat
Okay.
right there? Okay, you just slide it.
That's what we do. We work hard.
One more time.
Yes,
What they do. That's what they deserve. People deserve that.
I'm trying to get to the other line. I'm
Okay.
going to do something to make sure.
We would.
Yeah.
You guys, you and I are the same age.
71?
You were close. I'm just a tad older, but
Yeah.
I remember. We read Lamar together. I remember watching you out on the football field. Great athlete. Ogden's just great athlete.
Not if you trip him.
24-6. I didn't see you make all conference.
We weren't in the same conference.
Yeah. I'm not even going to say, I have something to say, but I'm not going to say it. 24 CR 216.
In the quiet of the courtroom, truth stands tall. A single decision can change the course of a life. Here, justice isn't just about punishment. It's about responsibility, redemption, and the hope that people can rise again.
2024. So we're looking at about a year ago in Jefferson County, Texas. This states you committed the third-degree felony of assault on a public servant, an employee at St. Elizabeth who was providing medical support at St. Elizabeth's Hospital. I guess maybe a nurse or something.
Yeah.
Well, do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes.
You don't. They're there to help. You don't want to hurt somebody, especially people trying to help you.
Everyone makes mistakes, but not everyone gets a second chance. This is more than a sentence. It's a test of character. When life offers you one more opportunity to make things right, don't waste it.
Been reached in your case where you would be pleading guilty and placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation, which can be up to 10 years in length. There's no fine, but there will be terms and conditions of probation which are particular for this set of circumstances, including you'll be placed on the mental health caseload to help you make sure that you can get through this probation successfully. That's what we want. But make sure you've got all the help that you're given, because everybody wants you to be successful. We don't want.
The judge's words carry weight, not of anger, but of wisdom. Every line reminds us that justice can be firm, yet merciful. Behind every ruling lies a chance for someone to rebuild their life.
You have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
How do you plead to this, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily on your own free will and based upon discussions with your attorney and because you are guilty?
Yes.
I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document? Is that your signature?
Yes.
Did you understand it, discuss it with Mr. Samuel? Is everything true and correct here?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence without objection.
No.
Without objection, it is admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you, or you've read it. You are guilty of this crime and any lesser included offenses. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses, and you are totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God. Is all of that true, sir?
Yes.
States Exhibit 1, made a part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report waived?
Hold on a second.
One statement.
No.
Y'all think about how much time we're talking about on this probation. If nothing further, I'm going to find you are pleading guilty voluntarily. You are mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. Even though there's sufficient evidence from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to support your guilty plea, to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, we're not going to find you guilty. We're going to give you another chance. Make the best of it, sir, okay? We're going to place you on deferred or unadjudicated probation for...
Real strength begins when you face what you've done and choose to change. Mental health, guidance, and control. These aren't punishments. They're the path back to being whole.
Please make sure you follow these. We're going to make sure that you're going to be placed on this mental health caseload, and we're going to put you through the anger management program. That helps you control your emotions when you're under times of stress. Maybe everybody could use that.
Mhm.
And this will be for 5 years. Yeah.
I have another question. There's a misdemeanor, because this was placed on special docket for the death. We're wanting to make sure we get those misdemeanors squared away, because they are making arrangements.
Well, they're not in my court bill, right?
No, they're Judge.
Okay. Those were, well, those.
But they're running concurrently with this, so we want,
Yes, sir.
we want to make sure that all of that is squared away.
Well, nothing I can do about that.
I know,
But,
I'm going to go down.
but they certainly weren't committed before he was convicted of this, so that won't affect that punishment range. It's what they are as they are filed right now.
Right. I just
Anyway.
want to bring the court's attention.
I wanted to just make sure you know this is what's important. Sir, we're giving you a chance. Make the most of it. If you fail on probation, your probation could be revoked. You could then be found guilty of this felony and punished up to 10 years in prison. So follow the rules. But those are the same things that he has to follow. I have to follow. Everybody in this room. It's the same rules. You can do it. Can't you?
Yes.
Good. Well, you should be fine. Fix this. Everybody makes a mistake. You made a mistake. Fix it. Move on. Be the best you can be. Can you do that?
So,
Good. Okay.
Years of probation, 5 years to rebuild, to learn, to rise. The past is written, but the future is yours. Walk it with discipline, with purpose, with hope.